Did that Temu order not quite live up to the hype? No worries, returning items is easier than you think. First, open your Temu app and tap on the U icon at the bottom center of your screen. This takes you to your account dashboard. Next, find and tap on your orders. This will show you a list of all your Temu purchases. Locate the order containing the item you want to return and tap on the Return Refund button. Now tell Temu why you're returning the item. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Be as accurate as possible for a smoother return process. Temu might ask you to upload photos or videos to support your claim, especially if the item is damaged or not as described. Make sure your photos are clear and show the issue. Select your preferred refund method. You can choose to receive a refund to your Temu credit or back to your original payment method. Temu will now provide you with instructions for packaging your item and generating a return shipping label. They usually offer free return shipping, so follow their instructions closely. Pack the item securely in its original packaging. If possible, affix the provided return shipping label to the outside of the package. Finally, drop off the package at the designated shipping carrier. Keep the tracking number for your records so you can monitor the return status. Once Temu receives and processes your return, you'll receive your refund according to your chosen method. That's it. Happy shopping and returning!